yun. Oh. Grabe kabayan, grabe oh. Oh. Grabe. Desert. Ang lakas ng hangin at saka snow. Kabayan. Grabe yun. Tignan niyo yung mga sasakyan namin. Woo! Open door. Na-stuck na yung kasama namin sa trabaho. Okay. Oh, Daniel, what did you say about the weather?
It's crazy. Can see.
Can't see. Oh my God.
Snow.
Snowstorm. Okay, kabayan, pauwi na kami at hindi zero visibility ngayon ang karsada. So dahan-dahan lang kami. Pauwi na kami, galing kami ng trabaho. Ayan, kasama ko sa trabaho si Daniel, the Pogi Boy.
From Nigeria.
From Nigeria.
It's crazy here in Canada, no?
One day come
Can
to
see.
Philippines.
Yeah, sure. I will.
Grabe po, lakas ng hangin. The red one.
Yeah.
Continuous recording will now start.
Stuck. How about us? Let's try.
Find out.
Oh,
Free.
good thing is our car is four-wheel drive. You know, if you drive sedan today, maybe you stuck. Yeah. Oh, barely. It's too high. Just like that one, sedan. Too much. Grabe po ang hangin mga kabayan ngayon dito sa Winnipeg. Ayan o, kung makikita nyo po, zero visibility. You understand? Daniel, what I'm saying?
Especially for those facing
Oh
the
my
direction
God.
of the wind.
Zero
my
visibility.
God.
Oh. Oh, too much snow.
Snow, yeah.
Oh. There's only the light.
Oh, just with the light.
Oh, we drive past.
This guy. I think it's Andy. That's Andy.
Ito mo, Sandy?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh. Oh, look well.
I see Ronnie too.
Look at this truck. Oh, this one very slow. Oh, maybe 10 kilometers per hour. Oh. Oh. Lord. Well, maybe. Hope we cannot stuck here. Because we are the only one to pass this. Oh. Oh. Dancing.
Oh, yeah.
Dancing car. Oh my God, Lord, thank you. Wow. Grabe oh kabayan, bagyo ngayon dito sa amin. Kaya kung makikita nyo po, talagang wala na pong zero visibility po kami ngayon dito sa Winnipeg. Sana maging maayos naman ngayon maghapon na to. Sigurado punong-puno na ho yung mga bahay namin.
This is bad.
The good thing is the Canada Goose is cancelled.
So
Yeah. That's
So,
why my wife
2-day holiday.
holiday. But no pay.
Yeah.
No pay.
Nice, you know. Okay. Let's see. I hope it stops soon.
First time. 2025. Blizzard. Ayan, kung makikita niyo po yung salamin mo ng aming sasakyan, wala, talagang grabe po. Pansinin niyo po talagang namumuti na po yung karsada po natin. Ay. Maybe some of the highway today closed.
Close, yeah, I'm
Yeah.
sure.
I just only follow the
Yeah.
Where are you going, my friend? Ano tayo makita kabayan? Ay, thank you Lord, and yan, we are here now.
Yeah.
Thank you. I cannot see your state.
Just
Oh,
stop here.
just-
No, there's no snow here. You can.
Okay.
I hope it goes.
Yeah. Ayan, grabe po. Grabe po ngayon ang snow dito sa amin. Kaya galing ko lang sa trabaho at ayan. Talagang kanina nga po hindi makita yung pag-uwi ko sa karsada. So, may blizzard po kasi ngayon. Grabe. Parang 2 araw yata, 3 araw na ganito dito ngayon mga kabayan. Oh. Grabe ang lamig. Sobrang hangin. Ayan, tingnan natin sa labas. Subukan ko lumabas. Ayan, so grabe po. Ang lakas po ng patak ng snow. Tapos mahangin pa. Oo. Yan po yung kalangitan kabayan. Grabe. May blizzard tayo ngayon. Halos magdamag na ako, kahapon pa ito. Lakas ng hangin. Oh, grabe. Grabe po mga kabayan ngayon dito sa amin. Binabagyo kami ngayon ng snow. Oh. Punong-puno na ho yung mga mga sasakyan na Grabe. Kauwi ko lang galing sa trabaho, kabayan. Kaya eto. Bukan ko lang ipakita sa inyo. Ayan oh. Oh. Ganyan dito pagka bumabagyo na. Pagka bumabagyo talaga ng isno. Grabe oh. Kapal na po ng isno natin dito. Ay, grabe po oh. Grabe po. Grabe po ang bagyo ng aming isno ngayon dito. Oh. Oh, punong-puno na yun. Oh, grabe Lord. Patigilin na po.